Kasenjuk Nonghikai School SSA, Meghalaya SSA School Association, Kalamanjuri Kimat Balakular da Kasorkar, Halor Kajingshim No Ek School SSA, Bat Ban Peniat Bet ya Kurukam Siu Tulop, Bat Kajing Penkiu Tulop ya Barok Nonghikai SSA, Kentup ya ki fourth teacher ki Badan Hakini School. Hakini kajingelang lapelong Hamadan Malki, haka arkulai terik risau arhajar arpusan, haka badi ki hajar ngut Nonghikai SSA ki bana keleng kari khasi bat jantia, kilawan bana shimenta kini kajingelang, bat u President ka Meghalaya SSA School Association, ulapen sengau, bat penpau syai harengkat bat barok Nonghikai SSA, badakawai kesur kila ai kajing menjur ban pediang ye karai ka belashim da Khuborjylla. Uba Aristotle Rambai Presiden ula pediang hun ye kini karai bat kesorkar kan sasdang siu tulop nadu benai nok pra mtau snem. Ula penpau kejing sengongu yo menteri rangba u konrad ke sangma bat uba lakemen rembui ki bela pen urlong ye kejing angnut jeng Nonghikai SSA ha Khuborjylla. Kidon barok ki school SSA lai hajar lai spa lai puar ha Khuborjylla barok kawai.
Ya karai. Wala slapro ngin shim mangani kadai lapa jingker khu nenam deh. Kumbong jurai mo, kumbong ulah the yaki Nonghikai SSA, berkumju yaki fourth teachers. Kepanung kong rangi ong yaki personal account nilayo nenam deh. Kebaar regular payment of salary nilayo nenam deh. Kebalai ketuk pending jong area menchua, kebangila file ke case for high court nilayo nenam deh. Menta wat ya kani artli ko bangila angnot paro shikata ublei ula jubab bat ka shong sahanga bat hapi menta bangin shim ya karai la ni priang na ya kani ka jingular jong ka gomen ni kum kinoilam nimla banlen ya kani yo isisha ba ka department hapo ka leadership jong honorable chief minister sar konrad ke sama kila shimkya shisha na bataban reform ya ka entire education system in the state of Meghalaya but kumjuro ban solve ya ka problems jong Nonghikai SSA but for teachers and other category of teachers once for all timenta ka shong happy nganong ngan kli ka jingkli but pinai ya karai la pin liang nem ya kani ka written assurance kepala ai da ka sarkar jilla ha ka meeting kepala chair da honorable chief minister sir konrad ke sangma kepala long completely jong by October aradar arpusan kepala ai yang i ka kopi arpuai tri by October arajar arpusan pimenjur ni pimenjur bangin pediang ya kani empat yo sneo ladangi yang menjur snow baban menjuru ngin peni da kabashik bashay kung baka komen kala ayangi in black and white niro ni kwa ban ka komen ladaday bangi menjuru ngin peni ladang ladaday bangi menjuru ngin peni sajisin nan kili. So the honorable chief minister sir Khuborkhasi ke sama have agreed to introduce a structure pay system. Bakin ayat ya ka pay scale structure along with what basic pay and dearness pay. Shai basic pay and dearness pay. Ka base pay they will base the name shim kakum ka seniority jong Nonghikai. And the dearness pay, akbaide makani ka dearness allowances scheme increase annually, lani regularly, kakum badai ban increase ya kadiye at a fixed rate nang bata bantela kau ya ka jingki dor jong kimal kimata berkunjuro nang bagi Nonghikai indiam ka jingyo jingkon. Shai bro. Perhatian baik berkait ke pay scale structure. Ni orang lupai kan sedang kata kacing ya per, way, no way, kawe na kawe. Balik, nama ke base pay they will base according to the seniority of teachers. Shang Kani hap sun thuha. Nimpa kerja pembaca usang ada kanriu. Kepada kalian juga association Khubor nilai keren baka Tulop jongi kanong hakani kadur tambah andala yo we train and train ka jisiu ka yeper bon ki pala Nonghikai ki asosiasi but ila persya yang karai ka sota. Tingin kwa but the same will repeat again. Ini kwa ban yetu ye biang ni ka persya. Baya kani ka pay scale structure ko bangin yo kandon ka jing yeper way Nonghikai but away na away ka Nonghikai na maka base pay kani kata ka bang yo away ka tin ka basic pay kaban sedang kin base according to the seniority of teachers. Uba join kampen shwa kam he uba join tang airlines nem un hamre shai of pay structure. Within this framework, the Education Department and the SSA Teachers Association will work jointly to finalize a mutually agreeable pay structure. The structure will aim to ensure the welfare of teachers while maintaining fiscal prudence and avoiding undue financial burden on the state exchequer. Syahane katakan yung pay structure kepada sorkar kan sebenarnya nakalian jumi ka education department bag ni association yung Nonghikai SSA bag for teachers ngil sigendo biang hangini ikandias ni nang ba ngil yakren kaba puno kata ka pay structure ni wanra nang bakandong biang abaro arliang banay ba kami ni hap yakren biang pinhap syai ba Hakini kita berai nak kalau juga government kalau dia notify bakalapan ya ke LOC nak kini ke school SSA laki long reading name and handover ya ke management sa government. Anyway, don't give them eye, don't give eye. Don't give them eye, don't give eye. Ni nak kalian juga association kalau mi hangi ke cikini orang yang kesorka walau dia wahai ni mai, kamu dia kafol jom Nonghikai. Ngiblim ro ya government, ngiblim ro ya SMC. Kadang ka situation kamal bakalan ro bas down. Circumstances kabangila bakalan ro bas down magbetul kami kasi ni kendo jige kat. Tiniyong ba? Kani ka Tulop kapan penju tumai nakapa pendekam ya ka pay structure kam day bandon kata ka jingya per kabapalat dia Shai nakadao the honorable chief minister Badan Burong iyong ba ya syong dia ka pibat education department ya thir ya dai ya ka ay ka ba pi menjur lang ha proposal siya ka government the government will approve it
Mentakas hakani ka general meeting kabangi lekot lang Apeng ka Meghalaya SSA School Association but ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association baro ki members ki jongi hada ka khasi but Giant Hills region kilawan chakani ka general meeting mentakas ngi but ka basaw tunat kalong ba hadin bangila adep pensngeu yaki yak assuran kabala ai the honorable chief minister sar Conrad ki sangma aga meeting ka ba ila khot country trick jomnai October aga bai dei but ki jing perulong ya artli ki mat jing dawa jengi ki Nonghikai SSA but for teachers kabanong kong kalong ban take over kini ki SSA school ada ka sorkar but baar kalong ban pentrikam ya ka pay structure na ka benta ka jingsiu ya ka Tulop ki Nonghikai SSA te hadin mangira dep ai ka jing pensyai sebaro ki Nonghikai ada ka way ka sur unanimously ngila shim ya ka decision bangi pediang sobha ya kani ka assuran nani ka jingkular ka baai dari honorable chief minister isar Conrad ke sangma but ngi shimro yakni ka kabu ban ai khublei kerpangi I halor kani ka senjam ka bana kalian jong ka sorkar under his leadership as a chief minister berkumjoro minister in charge education isar Lakmen Rambui but dia baro ki senior officials jong ka education department baki la shim ya kani ka initiative ban solve ya ka issue jong ki Nonghikai SSA food teachers but ki way ki category apo ki state Meghalaya once for all School Association Central Body and the Meghalaya Food Teachers Association. Together we have called this general meeting, and all our members from across the state, especially from Khasi and Giant Hills region, they have come and attend this meeting. So the purpose of this meeting is to disclose the written assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma during the meeting which was held on 16 October in the Cabinet Room at the main Secretariat building. The government have assured us to fulfill our demands, our two key demands. Number one, that is taking over of SSE school by the government, and number two, to introduce a pay scale structure for enhancement of salary to SSE teachers. So today we have disclosed the assurance to the teachers, and unanimously we have taken a decision that we have accept this assurance given by the state government through our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma. So regarding the effective and the when the government will announce its policy, in this written assurance, it has make very clear that the government will announce before the Christmas, that is on December 2025, and it will be effective from 1st April 2026. Assurance kepala I dari Honorable Chief Minister Long Shai ba nakaliang jong ka government kan sebenarnya haswa jong ka 4% jong benai December arja pusan ya ka policy decision kabakan sashim ha kabai dai bat kini ki artri kimat jing dawa jongi bat kane kan trekam nado shitrik jong benai April arjar arpundru kinsadon sakatu kani gibenta kibanga ginang haban yakren mo bat na kaliang jong Honorable Chief Minister ila ong shai ba ikwa ba hapo jong ni arbanai kata November but December kani kapor kalong very important long very crucial na menta jong education department but kingi Nonghikai ila ong shai ro bala don kam bani kendo man kasngiri kendo bani yakren ya kani kini kikatu kani kicik penbek bani kwaro ban pendep kulo ya kani la kumu no hapo jong benai November knang ba ka government kan yo ban penbra ya ka policy decision jong ka haswa jong ka arpusan rik jong benai December arajar arpusan maka baide ba kani ginang api ya ka jing betip na kani jong ka education department